Hi guys, welcome back to 21 Days to Good Skin. Today's skin issue is something that we're dealing with right now. It is related to our daily life. What's our routine like? What's our quarantine routine like? We're waking up so late these days. Like I'm waking up very late these days. I'm up till 3 o'clock having midnight snacks, talking to my friends, playing games. It's our routine is pretty effed up, and which is why it's causing us dark circles, dark under eyes. I've never had dark under eyes in my entire life, but because of the sleeping schedule we're following these days, I can see some of the darkness here, and I had to bring out something to cure this because I know that this is going to be really, really helpful for all of us during this time. So without wasting any more time, let's begin.
So first things first, we're going to cut the slice of the cucumber into two parts like this. The next thing I'm going to use is green tea. We will bruise this green tea in some hot water and keep it for 1 minute. Then I'm going to use the next ingredient is going to be honey. Why I'm taking honey is because it'll help the part to brighten up a little. We're going to mix it well, and now I'm going to add in the third ingredient, which is olive oil. You can use coconut oil as well if you want. You can either skip these steps. We're using oil to provide us with some moisture. Next thing what I'm going to do is stir that green tea ka bag and take out the tea leaves and for all the extra added goodness. Then I'm going to soak the cucumber very well and refrigerate it. And we are done.
So the old and the basic method, which is a very traditional method, was when you must have seen people in movies putting the cucumber slices on their eyes and then just relaxing. That's a really effective method. When the cucumber is refrigerated, it cools down the blood vessels, and that increases your blood flow around that area, and hence you get rid of the dark under eyes. Now we've added a little twist here. We dipped it in green tea because green tea is also another effective method. Now I've cut these slices in two. Make sure they're refrigerated, only then the whole thing makes sense, otherwise it doesn't. So I've cut them into half so that it's easier. It only covers my under eyes and not my whole eyelid, otherwise I have to close my eyes. So I'm gonna put this, it's refrigerated, it's cold like this, and I'm going to put the other one also. So this is how I'm going to keep this, and I'm going to lie down before this falls. So that is it. This sure was so relaxing. Like the cold cucumber on your eyes, it just relaxes you and it feels so good after it. You have to do this more than once in a week, not just once, because then kuch effect nahi hoga. So you can do it twice, thrice. You can do it as many times you want. You can do it every day if you want, because it's so relaxing and there's no harmful effects or anything of that sort to your skin. It's just cucumber. So yeah, that was it for today's episode. If you try this out, do not forget to send me pictures of you doing it, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.